back into our terminal, make directory login system. Okay, now we change directory or we move into our login system, right? Okay, we gain, but before that, I need to open up another panel side by side, another pane here. Need to simply cd login system. Okay, just switch back to our full login system. I'm using the Vim, so I've simply type here Vim. You can use any text editor or your IDE according to your personal preference. Vim full login system dot py. All right. So okay, I'm going to hide the panel here, the sidebar. Full login system.py, and we shall put here new or navigation print welcome to full login system, and I put here greeting and store credential input want to register. Okay, the user can simply type either Y or yes or no. Okay, next, if store credential is equals as n, which is if no, so then you just simply put here print thank you. Else, you assume that it's going to be yes, right? Put here username, so ask the user to key in their username. Please enter your username, and then simply copy here, but change this username into password. Okay, and then go to username, simply search the username, click here, and then replace it with password. Let's see if it's working. I'm going to test it. Put here Python system.py. If I put no, thank you, so then it's going to exit from the system. Okay, run it again. Okay, put here Y, yes, and then please enter your username. I put here Ahmed, and then put here ABCD 1 2 3. Right. Okay, now next we are going to store into our Python dictionary think we should put it here. Stores data using dictionary. Just put here a list diction a dictionary, and mm, we can put users. Okay, as you know that you dictionary is a pairs of between key and the values. So we put username as the key, and we assign it to the password as the value. But before that, it's just that I would like to here to see whether, okay, you should got here the users, username and password. Just we would like to make sure whether it is correctly stored into the Python dictionary. Okay, here we're going to put print all data was saved as dictionary, right? For username, password, and users dot items. We're going to look for each user if it's going to have for each the username and password. Okay, print username, and then put here password. Okay, get rid of this. Right. Again, run into our system at our terminal. Want to register, simply put here yes, and then put my name is Ahmad ABCD 1 2 3. Okay, it already pinned here for username and password, right? And then it will print your username. My username is Ahmad as according to here, and then the password is ABCD 1 2 3. Let's shift back to our coding. Mm, Store credential, want to register, yes or no. So I'm going to put here a functions, put here define sign up, right? And then simply I'm going to indent it to the right. Okay, it's good. But before that, okay, back to here. Let me see. Open password on sign up. If password is equals to confirm underscore password, username, password successful. Okay, put here else. If password I think put here else, right? Print password is not identical. But before that, let me see if we put here loop here while true, and username. Okay, to enable these functions, we need to sign up here. Let me maximize this. Okay, we already create a function here. We define it as a sign up, define sign up, and it's going to loop. Okay, we are going to use a while loop. First, we will ask to store the credential if you want to register. So then simply Y for yes and N for no. If store the credential N, so then simply print thank you. If it is other than N, assume that it's going to for else. Username, you will ask, you will prompt for it to enter the username and the password, and then reconfirm the password, re-enter the password. And again, here is going to go for another conditional. If the password, first password and then the re-enter password is identical, the confirm password is identical. So you're going to store this into the into the user's dictionary. So the username here is the key, or the password is the value, and you will from the print registration successful. Okay, then put here break. Right. So next you can for username and password. Okay, go back to our terminal. Python full system. Put here yes, Ahmad, and then ABCD 1, 2, 3. Put here just simply ABCD. Password is not registered. Want to register? Yes or no? Okay, so repeat. It will loop back to the want to register. Yes. Enter username Ahmad. My password is ABCD 1, 2, 3. Again ABCD 1, 2, 3. Registration is successful.